What is going on, you guys? It's your boy Tino aka Young Chente, and welcome back to another video. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and click on that bell so you will be notified when I upload another video. In this video, I'll be icing up these soles on these Space Jams for 2016. As you can see, they're kind of yellow. Good. The product I'll be using to ice up these soles will be Salon Care 40. The items I'll be using for this process is going to be saran wrap and some masking tape. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so the first step you need to do to get these soles icy is you have to clean the bottom, take all that grime out, and let's get started. So you're going to need some solution. If you don't have solution, you could use like dish soap, and that'll do the trick. So here I have two brushes. I'm going to hit it first with the stiff bristle brush since the soles, and then right after I'll be using the brass bristle brush. This is one of my favorite brushes. As you can see, guys, I finished cleaning the bottoms. I took all the grime and dirt off the best I could do. As you can see, they are still yellow. By taking off the dirt and grime, it makes it a little bit more clear to see. You can see the jump mat now, a little bit more clearer. It's going to be easier to apply the Salon Care 40 and for it to do its magic. Alright guys, so the next step in getting these soles icy is to apply the Salon Care 40. But before we apply the Salon Care 40, we're going to have to tape the midsoles. So let's get into it. Where's the tape? Yeah. So just do my normal thing. Alright guys, as you can see, I finished taping off the midsole, both sides. And if you want, you could also mask these pods here, so you don't get no Salon Care 40 on them. If you don't, just be careful not to put any Salon Care 40 on these pods because it will discolor these pods. To apply the Salon Care 40, you need a paintbrush, and of course, your Salon Care 40. You made me laugh. Is that good though? That's good. Alright, let's get into it. Oh. Shaking. Alright guys, as you can see now, I applied the Salon Care 40 on the sole. So the next thing to do after this is cover it with saran wrap. Alright guys, as you can see, we put on the saran wrap, and make sure you have somebody with you. That was pretty hard. So the next step is to give these babies some sun. So follow me. Alright guys, there's no sun outside, so I'm gonna wait until the sun is out. Alright guys, it's been a couple weeks since we started icing these soles on these space jams. In total we did about like 4 to 5 sessions. They were each like an hour long, so I'm gonna give you guys the final product. Here we go. Yeah. So this is the right and this is the left. As you can see, there's still like minor yellowing, but the sun is not that powerful. Well, it is powerful, but if you really want to take the yellow out, you're gonna need something way stronger, like a Mars light, and keep them there for a while. That's gonna be way powerful. In the future, we're gonna try doing a different setup. Overall, I like how they came out. They're icier than what they were before, less yellowing, and the toes are blue. And we did like you don't really want to overdo it either, because after a while it'll stop working. So after a couple of sessions, we were satisfied how they were coming out. In the future, as I said, we'll do a different method with a Mars light, but this is just a basic. If you don't have none of that, all we took is Salon Care 40, saran wrap, and just pasted it outside. We did like an hour sessions. It depends how hard the sun is hitting, so you just want to be careful with that. You could also do this method on other types of soles, like like the white. I'm gonna show you guys another shoe you guys can use this method on, and here they are. So as you can see, these are the Baron 9s. You can see there is yellowing on the sole. You could do the exact same method. I'm about to do this method with the Salon Care 40, and I feel like it'll work better because it's not an icy sole and it's just pure white. So yeah. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe and like the video, and comment down below if you think this method works, or if you guys have any other methods, if you guys use anything else other than Salon Care 40 and some other solutions, formulas.
I know there's a soul sauce or something like that.
Yeah. Comment down below. Without further ado, it's been your boy Tino aka Young Chente. I'm out.